Hello children, welcome back to your literature class of Standard 3. Today we will revise poem The Quarrel. Meaning of the word quarrel is to fight with words. This poem was written by Eleanor Ferguson. With this poem, our first semester syllabus will get over. So children, you revise the word meanings, the spellings, question answers, reference to context and the grammar portion of all the chapters very nicely. So now let's read the poem. The Quarrel. I quarrelled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come on. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Now I'll explain this poem.
Children, we often quarrel with our brothers, sisters, cousins, and sometimes with our friends too. Don't we? Yes, we do. This poem is also about a similar quarrel where the poetess Eleanor Ferguson describes that how she quarreled with her brother. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. In these two lines, the poetess says that she quarreled with her brother, but she was not aware of the fact. She don't know the reason that why she quarreled with her brother. She quarreled with her brother and she don't know the reason why she quarreled with her brother, how the quarrel began, what was the topic. She doesn't remember anything. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. One thing led to another means they started with one thing, that is, they started quarreling on one topic and then it led to another topic and another. And somehow they fell out. They fell out means they quarreled. Somehow they quarreled. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. In these two lines, the poetess says that the argument started, the quarrel started on a very small topic that was not very important, or we can say that it was on a small issue that could have been ignored. But the end of the quarrel was very strong. By the end, the quarrel became very serious. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. In these two lines, the poetess says that he said that whatever he did or whatever he said was right. But the poetess, she knew that he was not right. He was wrong. The only thing was that he was not ready to accept his mistake. That's why he was not That's why he was telling that whatever he said or whatever he did was right. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. So the quarrel became so serious that they started hating each other. And the afternoon turned black. How did the afternoon turn black? The afternoon turned black because there was no fun, no gossips, no excitement, and the afternoon became very dull and boring. That's why it is said that afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come on, we can't go on all night." The afternoon was already spoiled, right, children? So, after some time, that maybe in the evening, the brother came to the sister, the poetess, and gave a hard, friendly pat on her back and told her that, "Oh, come on, we can't go on all night." That means he wanted to say that let's move on, let's leave all the things because they can't keep on quarreling all night. He doesn't wanted to continue the argument or the quarrel anymore. He wanted to patch up with her and become normal as before. And he did not want to spoil the night. So he wanted her to forget everything. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So at the end, in order to end the quarrel, he accepted that he was wrong. But then the poetess realized that he was not the one who was wrong. He was right because he was the one who came forward to end the quarrel. Children, there is a special kind of bonding and love among brothers and sisters. Even if we argue, we fight, we again come together very soon because of that love and bonding. So keep loving your brothers and sisters, friends, cousins, everyone, and keep caring for them. I have finished explaining this poem. We'll meet again in the next video. So till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.